Ihoya riri riikitio ni airitu a itura ria Mutunduini Boni thiini wa kaunti ya Makueni riria gikundi kimwe gitari gia githirikari kiramatwarire tauro ici thengia ya thirikari gukorwo ikiheana uteithio wa irio, thabuni oro hamwe na indo ingi cia kugacirithia utheru kuri muingi niguo kuhurana na mututhuko wa murimu wa COVID-19. Iraririkania ati kuri ikundi ingi cia andu iravatara uteithio wa mwanya wa indo itiganite thiini wa matura ngurani.
Is my request, ni ombi langu awa wasichana wetu wapate sanitary towels for free, and more so at this time when they are at home. Not all parents can afford the sanitary towels.
Their parents cannot afford, and we know very well the economy really changed. Most people lost jobs and they are actually struggling to have enough to put on the table.
Rais wetu Uhuru Kenyatta ashughulikia wasichana sana. Naona anashughulika na mambo ya chakula, mambo ya kupeana sanitizers, mask. Angalie wanarika sana wasichana.
Hindi ya uheani wa uteithio wa tauro ici, uhoro wa arutwo kuoha nda ndunaga kugwetwo. Aingi ao magituika maracemania na mathina maya ni undu wa gutiganirio ni aciari. Aciari marorotwo ni undu wa kwaga gutindanira na ciana ciao, matekwenda kumenya uria matinda magika, nao aria mari na uhoti makamahe mbeca iria irarikirira thugura-ini wa ndawa cia ndugugio.
It came to help the parent be with their children, and the parents are not taking it as an opportunity to be close with their children. They are the ones to blame because they need to build, they need to nurture the children as they are at home with them.
Wako na shida ya kuwanunulia sanitary towels. Kwa hivyo naomba serikali ishughulikie wasichana sana wakati huu wako nyumbani juu ya janga hii ya corona.
Arutwo aria mahetwo uteithio uyu ni mawamukirite na gikeno, makiuga amwe ya aciari ao matire na uhoti wa kumagurira tauro ici riria maracibatara o mweri. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Helen Maina.